Today we're going to talk about a couple different things. First of all, I'm going to go over this Borka tools. I've been using this thing nonstop, and I got to say, this tool set is awesome. I've used this more times than I can even count over the last week. I've had a chance to test it. I mean, I've used this thing quite often. And what this is a little kit, has a torque driver in it. So what we have inside the kit here is a bunch of different things. So first off, got a little wrench here, a little brush that you can utilize to clean off lenses and whatnot. We have some cleaning rods, and these are not meant to clean the actual weapon or firearm. These are actually in case you have stuck casing or something stuck in your barrel. You can use this to punch out that obstruction. Moving over, this is the torque driver, which we'll go over here in a sec. And then we got a little socket here on a little extended platform. Additionally, on the inside, a bunch of different bits that you can utilize, and for whatever optic mounting, that you're looking to do, or just dialing in some sort of screw, zeroing your stuff, all kinds of different ones here. And they do have additional bits that they do sell on their website or on Amazon, I believe.